Letting go is a life-changing act that can free you from the weight of the past and create space for miracles in your life. When you release what no longer serves you, you align with the energy of possibility and abundance. The process doesn't need to be complicated. It's about shifting your mindset, surrendering to the present moment, and opening your heart to new opportunities. Letting go isn't about giving up. It's about releasing attachments to outcomes, emotions, or experiences that hold you back. It's a conscious decision to free yourself from the grip of fear, resentment, or limiting beliefs. Often we cling to the familiar because it feels safe, even if it causes pain or stagnation. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward letting go. Ask yourself, what am I holding on to that no longer serves me? This self-awareness creates the foundation for change. When you let go, you make room for new possibilities. It's like clearing clutter from your home. Once the space is open, you can fill it with what truly brings joy and purpose. Letting go is not about forgetting or ignoring the past, but accepting it as a stepping stone toward growth. Letting go is an act of self-love. By choosing to release what weighs you down, you honor your well-being and take a powerful step toward a life filled with miracles and abundance. The process begins with identifying what no longer aligns with your highest self. This could include negative thoughts, toxic relationships, unhelpful habits, or outdated goals. Start with your thoughts. Are there recurring patterns of self-doubt or criticism that undermine your confidence? Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment and gently challenge their validity. Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your growth. Next, evaluate your relationships. Are there connections that drain your energy or hinder your progress? While it's not always easy, setting boundaries or distancing yourself from negativity can create space for healthier interactions. Consider your habits as well. Are there routines that keep you stuck or limit your potential? Small, deliberate changes can have a profound impact over time, replacing limiting habits with those that nurture and uplift you. Reassess your goals. Sometimes we hold on to aspirations that no longer align with who we've become. Give yourself permission to pivot or redirect your energy toward what truly resonates with you now. Forgiveness is a vital aspect of the letting go process. It's not about excusing harmful behavior, but about freeing yourself from the emotional burden it carries. Begin by forgiving yourself. We all make mistakes, but holding on to guilt or shame only reinforces negative cycles. Treat yourself with compassion, acknowledging your humanity and the lessons learned. Extend forgiveness to others, not for their sake, but for your own peace. Holding on to resentment keeps you tethered to the past. By letting go, you reclaim your energy and focus it on what truly matters. The act of forgiveness doesn't have to be immediate or perfect. It's a process that unfolds over time. Use affirmations or journaling to support this journey, reaffirming your commitment to release and heal. Recognize that forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. It's a declaration of your right to happiness and freedom, opening the door for miracles to enter your life. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting the flow of life and releasing the need to control every detail. When you let go of control, you make space for unexpected blessings to unfold. Start by practicing mindfulness. This helps you stay present and avoid overthinking or obsessing about the future. Meditation or deep breathing exercises can ground you in the moment and reduce anxiety. Trust that the universe has a plan for you even if it's not immediately clear. When things don't go as expected, remind yourself that setbacks often lead to breakthroughs. Keep faith in the bigger picture. Accept uncertainty as an opportunity for growth. Life's unpredictability can bring valuable lessons and opportunities you might not have anticipated. View challenges as stepping stones rather than obstacles. Remind yourself that surrender is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to let go and allow life to flow naturally. The rewards often far exceed your expectations. Consistency is key to creating lasting change. Incorporate daily rituals to reinforce the practice of letting go and attract miracles into your life. Begin your day with affirmations that focus on release and renewal. Say phrases like, "I release what no longer serves me and welcome new opportunities," or "I trust the process of life to guide me." Engage in a gratitude practice to shift your focus from lack to abundance. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the energy of miracles. Dedicate time to journaling. Reflect on what you're releasing, how it feels, and the changes you're noticing. Journaling provides clarity and helps you process emotions in a healthy way. Incorporate movement into your routine. Whether it's yoga, walking, or dancing, physical activity helps release stored tension and fosters a sense of freedom and renewal. Visualization is a powerful tool in the process of letting go. By imagining yourself free from the burdens that weigh you down, you send a clear message to your subconscious and the universe about your intentions. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and picture the things you want to release as physical objects. Imagine placing these objects into a balloon or a stream and watching them drift away. This visualization represents your willingness to let go and trust the process. Next, visualize yourself without these burdens. What does freedom feel like? Picture yourself lighter, happier, and more open to possibilities. Feel the emotions associated with this newfound freedom: joy, peace, and confidence. Let these feelings anchor your visualization. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Even a few minutes of focused visualization each day can have a profound effect on your mindset. It reinforces your commitment to letting go and invites miracles into your life. The power of visualization lies in its ability to align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desires. Trust in the process and watch as your inner transformation begins to manifest outwardly. Rituals add intention and meaning to the act of letting go. By creating a structured practice, you signal to your mind and body that it's time to release and move forward. Start by writing down what you wish to release. This could be a fear, a regret, or a limiting belief. Be specific and honest with yourself. Once you've written it down, choose a symbolic act to represent letting it go, such as burning the paper or tearing it up and discarding it. Consider incorporating elements like candles, crystals, or calming music to set the mood. These items can enhance the ritual, making it feel more sacred and impactful. Light a candle to represent illumination and clarity as you let go of the past. Use affirmations during your ritual to reinforce your intentions. Speak statements like, "I release this with love and gratitude," and "I welcome peace and abundance into my life." Repeat these affirmations with conviction, allowing their energy to resonate within you. Third, make this ritual a regular practice. You don't need a specific occasion to let go. It can be done whenever you feel the need. Over time, these intentional acts of release will help you maintain a sense of balance and openness. Letting go is not just an internal process. It creates visible changes in your life. As you release old energy, you'll start noticing signs that transformation is taking place. One of the first signs is an increased sense of peace. Situations that once triggered anxiety or frustration may no longer affect you as strongly. This emotional shift indicates that you're breaking free from past patterns and accepting a more centered perspective. You may also notice new opportunities or synchronicities appearing in your life. When you clear out old energy, you make space for fresh possibilities to enter. Pay attention to these moments. They are confirmations that your energy is aligning with your desires. Relationships might shift as well. Some connections may naturally fade away, while others become stronger and more authentic. These changes reflect your evolving energy and the new boundaries you've set for yourself. You'll likely feel a deeper sense of trust in yourself and the universe. Letting go strengthens your connection to your inner wisdom, allowing you to navigate life with greater confidence and ease. Celebrate these changes. They are a testament to your growth. Letting go is deeply rooted in your ability to stay present. The more you connect with the now, the less power the past or future holds over you. Start by practicing mindfulness in everyday activities. Whether you're eating, walking, or simply breathing, focus entirely on the present moment. Notice the sensations, sounds, and emotions you experience without judgment. This practice anchors you in the here and now. Meditation is another powerful tool for presence. Spend a few minutes each day sitting quietly and observing your thoughts. Rather than engaging with them, let them pass like clouds in the sky. This detachment helps you release the grip of overthinking. Gratitude is also a great way to stay present. When you appreciate the blessings in your life, you shift your focus from what's missing to what's already here. This perspective cultivates a sense of abundance and peace. Remind yourself that the present moment is where your power lies. The past is gone, and the future is yet to come. By focusing on the now, you open yourself to life's endless possibilities and invite miracles to unfold naturally. Letting go is not a one-time act. It's a lifelong practice of renewal and growth. As you continue this journey, you'll discover deeper layers of freedom and transformation. Recognize that the process of letting go evolves with you. What you need to release today may differ from what you need to release in the future. Stay attuned to your inner voice and honor its guidance as you navigate life's changes. Surround yourself with supportive practices and people. Meditation, journaling, or even conversations with trusted friends can keep you grounded and aligned with your intentions. Building a positive environment strengthens your ability to let go. Celebrate your progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge the courage it takes to release the old and accept the new. This self-compassion fuels your journey and inspires continued growth. Trust that letting go is a gift to yourself. It clears the path for miracles, abundance, and joy to enter your life. With each release, you move closer to the life you're meant to live, one filled with endless possibilities and boundless love. Letting go is an act of liberation, a choice to free yourself from the chains of the past and open your heart to the miracles waiting for you. By practicing presence, forgiveness, and intentional release, you transform your inner world and create space for abundance and joy. If this journey resonates with you, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more insights and inspiration. Your growth and transformation are worth celebrating. Letting go is not the end, it's the beginning of a miraculous new chapter in your life.